Hello friends. In our previous lecture we have explored paragraph tag and another tag, that is the pre-tag. Now in this lecture we will explore some computer code HTML tags. So first of all, let's save this document as HTML computer code tags. Now let's save it and let's delete all these p and pre's. Now let me show you the first one. The first one is code. Here you can show some codes. Say for example, where x equals say 10 semicolon, then let's go to the new line where y equals 20 and where x plus y equals 30. Now let's save this and let's take a look in our browser. See, where x equals 10, where y equals 20, where x plus y equals 30. But you can notice one thing, that the formatting is not same. The formatting is same as of p, right? So what you can do here is, before this code, write here pre-tag, and after code end the pre-tag. Now let's save it and hit refresh here. See, now the formatting here and here is same, isn't it? So that goes the first one, that is the code one. Next we have the keyboard input, and that goes inside KBD. And what can be written here? Keyboard inputs like say file new, or say file again with a file and open, like this. So now let's save it, come to our browser, hit refresh. See, okay, now another thing is that you can enclose it inside p tag, or you can write here the line break tag. So save it and take a look here. See, file new, file open. Even you can enclose it inside the p tag. Save it and take a look. See, now since you have enclosed it inside p tag, there is no need of this line break. So save it, again take a look. Now there is another one, that is samp. It takes the output. So say for example, say npm install, and you install some package just like this. Now save it and take a look here. Oops, again I need to enclose it inside the p tag, or you can provide the line break tag. Okay, another we have, that's variable. It goes inside var. So var x, then var y. Let's save it and take a look what it shows here. xy, see, in italics. So what you can do here, you can just put a line break here. Now save it. See, xy, you can write here say x plus y, and you can enclose it inside bracket. It's not showing, right? So for this, let's write here code, enclose it, save it. Now see, x plus y, then write here sup2. So save it, take a look. It's x plus y whole square. This sup is the superscript. So x plus y whole square equals, as we know, it's x square plus y square plus 2xy, right? So if you keep it like that, what will happen? So let's save it first and let's take a look. See, now what we want is that this x will go inside var. So let's write here var, and this 2 will be the superscript. You can even copy this one. I'm really very lazy, so I will copy this one only and I will just paste it here. Again I will paste it here, and for the variable I will copy this one, press Ctrl C, and for y I will paste it here. Again here I have y, so I will paste it, and for the x I will copy the x1, press Ctrl C, and where it is, yep, it's here, so paste it. Now let's save it and take a look here. See, x plus y whole square equals x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this is how you can write. So that's it. So what are the things that we have learned in this lecture? We have learned some computer code HTML tags. So what are those? The first one that we have seen, that is the code tag. Then we have the KBD, which takes keyboard inputs. Then we have the SAMP, which take computer output. And then we have seen a real example, that is x plus y whole square, how you can write it, this formula, or you can write any formula using this. So at last we have seen var tag, which accepts variables. So what are the 4 tags that we have seen in this lecture? Code, KBD, SAMP, and var. So that's it, friends. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.